Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Xero for bookkeeping. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps small businesses and organizations manage their financial records efficiently. To get started, you need to sign up for a Xero account and set up your company profile. This includes adding your company name, address, and other relevant details. Once you have set up your company profile, you can start adding your bank accounts and credit cards to Xero. This will allow you to track your income and expenses and reconcile your accounts. You can also add invoices and bills to Xero, which will help you manage your accounts receivable and payable. To add a new invoice, go to the Invoices tab and click on the New Invoice button. Enter the customer name, date, and description of the invoice, and add the relevant items and quantities. You can also add a due date and payment terms to the invoice. To manage your accounts payable, go to the Bills tab and click on the New Bill button. Enter the supplier name, date, and description of the bill, and add the relevant items and quantities. You can also add a due date and payment terms to the bill. Xero also allows you to track your expenses and claim back any GST or VAT. To add a new expense, go to the Expenses tab and click on the New Expense button. Enter the date, description, and amount of the expense, and add any relevant receipts or invoices. To reconcile your accounts, go to the Accounts tab and click on the Reconcile button. Select the account you want to reconcile in the date range, and Xero will help you match your transactions and reconcile your account. Best practices for using Xero include regularly reconciling your accounts, keeping your invoices and bills up to date, and tracking your expenses. You should also regularly review your financial reports, such as your balance sheet and profit and loss statement, to get a clear picture of your company's financial performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Xero to efficiently manage your bookkeeping and get a clear picture of your company's financial performance. Xero is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your financial management and make informed business decisions.